Okay, dear students, we are in integrals and we have finished up to 20 questions in the last class in exercise 7 point. Okay, we will continue and the total 39 questions are there, another 19 questions. Let us try to finish those 19 questions in this class. Okay, let us see 21st question. Tan inverse of 2x minus 3 dx. Okay. See, we are doing integration by substitution. Here, there is no option. You have to take 2x minus 3 only as t. Okay. Let us take t. 2x minus 3 is equal to t if you take. Then if you do differentiation both sides, 2 is equal to dx by dt. Why? Because this side only 2. Then the dx you bring this side. 2 dx is equal to dt. But here only dx is there, you see. Okay. Then dx is going to become 1 by 2 dt. Okay. But another important, you see what I am doing. Tan square we don't have. You see what I am writing. Tan square t. Dx means dt by 2. But do we have tan square? Tan secant square we are having. Tan we are having. Tan means log secant x. Modulus secant x. Okay. But we don't have tan square. Then how to convert this? Secant square minus 1. Write down. 1 by 2 integral secant square t dt minus 1 by 2 integral 1 means okay, 1 right, don't write. Okay, you see what I have done here. Secant square minus 1 I have made. Secant square x minus 1. You understand now? Secant square minus 1. But that minus 1 I have written. See, minus 1. 1 by 2 is common for both. 1 by 2 square. Why? What is the advantage? See, secant square we are having tan x. Okay, write down. That is equal to 1 by 2 tan t minus 1 by 2 t plus c. That is equal to, you see, 1 by 2 tan t means what? 2x minus 3 minus 1 by 2 2x minus 3 plus c. Okay. This is the answer. Okay. Let us go for 22nd question. Okay. Okay. See, integral secant square 7 minus 4x dx. Okay. Here simply 7 minus 4x you take as a t. Write down. Say 7 minus 4x is equal to t. Then you see d by dx, if you do minus 4 will come here. Minus 4 dx is equal to dt. See, dx if it is there means dx is equal to minus 1 by 4 dt. Why? Because the minus 4 goes that side. Okay. That you keep in our mind. Okay. Okay. Now substitute. Integral secant square 7 minus 4x is t. Dx means minus 1 by 4 dt. Secant square integral we know. D by dx tan x secant square x. Integral secant square x tan x. Okay. Minus 1 by 4 tan t plus c. Okay. Write down. Minus 1 by 4 tan t 7 minus 4x plus c. Okay. Take this, we will go for 23rd question. Okay. See, the integral sin inverse x by 1 minus x square dx. You see here, what you take? T. Do you take 1 minus x square? See, you can take and try also. But what I am doing, you see, sin inverse x I am taking, and you see, sin inverse x is equal to t. d by dx sin inverse x is equal to 1 by 1 minus x square under root dx by dt. That dx I am bringing this side dt. That means if you take sin inverse x as t, you see simply dx by 1 minus x square is going to become dt. Sin inverse x is going to become t. That is very easy. Okay. Okay. Let us take integral sin inverse x is t. The dx by 1 minus x square is dt. That's all. That is equal to t square by 2 plus c. That is equal to t square means what? Sin inverse x. Sin inverse x whole square by 2 plus c. Okay. Let us go for 24th question. Okay. See here, 2 cos x minus 3 sin x by 6 cos x plus 4 sin x is there, and we have to integrate this. Okay. See, logic is here. In sin, in differentiation we know very well. Sin is having cos x, but cos is having minus sin x. You see, simply if you observe here, minus 3 sin x has come, 2 cos x has come. That means if you take this as t, then differentiation if you do into dx, this may come. But directly it will not come. You see, 2 common you have to take it. 3 cos x plus 2 sin x, if you take common 2, then that remaining area, if you take as t, then this is going to become. Okay. Like that you have to analyze it. Okay. You see what I am doing now? Say 3 cos x plus 2 sin x. How it has come? 2 I have taken common. Okay. This I am taking as t. If you multiply with 2, 3, 6 cos x, 4 sin x is going to become. But now if you differentiate this, you see d by dx. First I will do sin x. 2 sin x means 2 cos x. 3 cos x means minus 3 sin x. You see 2 cos x minus 3 sin x. Dx is equal to dt. Okay. See, this is okay. Dt directly we can write. But what about this? This is not t exactly. That means 2 times t, 2t. This is okay. 2t means 1 by 2 you can write. Write down. Integral 1 by 2 dt by t. Is it okay? See, if you send 1 by 2 inside, then 1 by 2t, dt by 2t it is going to become 2t. Why? Because t is only 3 cos x only, but 6 cos x you require. Okay? Log t, that's all. 1 by 2 log t plus c, that is equal to 1 by 2 log, write down this t, 3 cos x plus 2 sin x plus c. Okay. Always better you keep modulus or write down 3 cos x plus 2 sin x is greater than 0 like. Okay. When log comes. That is a good practice. Let us go for 25th question. Okay. See 25th question. Integral 1 by cos square x into 1 minus tan x whole square dx. Okay. Let us take 1 minus tan x as d. You see what I am writing. 1 minus tan x is equal to t I am taking. Then if I make d by dx minus secant square x, x dx is equal to dt. Okay. See, this cos square x, if it goes top to secant square x, it is going to become. Okay. Okay. But minus dt you have to write. Okay. See what I am writing. Integral secant square x I am writing directly. Okay. Secant square x dx by 1 minus tan x whole square is equal to. Is it okay? Cos square I have sent to numerator, then it is going to become secant square x. Okay. Secant square x we are having minus dt. Okay. Integral, but this is t square, 1 by t square. T power 1 by 2. Shall I write? Sorry, t power minus 2, not 1 by 2. 1 minus tan x is t, 1 by t square. 1 by t square or t power minus 2 both are same. Okay. This is for 1 minus tan square. Secant square x dx minus dt that is equal to minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 means this is going to get cancelled. Okay, minus minus going to get cancelled. 1 by t it is going to become. Is it okay? Minus minus going to get cancelled. T power minus 1 means again 1 by t. 1 by t means what? 1 by 1 minus tan x plus c. Okay, let us go for 26th question. Okay, see 26th question. Integral cos root x by root x dx. Integral cos root x by root x dx. Okay, what you have to take here for t substitution, or without taking also can you do it? I don't think so. Okay, without we cannot do. Why? Because see, divided by root x is there, na? That is why we cannot do. Okay, you see, I am taking root x as t. Then d by dx root x is 1 by 2 root x. 1 by 2 root x and dx is equal to dt. But you see, dx by root x is there. That means dx by root x you can make it as 2 dt. 2 that side you send. Dx by root x. Okay, accordingly I have adjusted. Okay, now you write down cos t. Cos t. Why? Because root x I have taken as t. Cos t and dx by root x as 2 dt. That means 2 you send outside and dt. Now cos t dt. Sin t. Okay. 2 sin t plus c. That is equal to 2 sin t means what? Root x. That's all. Okay, 2 sin root x plus c. That's all. Let us go for 27th question. See 27th question. Question number 27. Integral root of sin 2x into cos 2x dx. You see here, this root is not there for cos 2x. Okay, that you keep in your mind. Then naturally you take sin 2x as a t. Okay, try sin 2x. Why? Because cos 2x is there. Sin 2x is equal to t. If you take d by dx sin 2x is 2 cos 2x dx is equal to dt. Cos 2x dx means 1 by 2 dt. That I need not write again. I will directly write here. Okay. You see what I am doing. Integral sin 2x means t power 1 by 2. Cos 2x dt means 1 by 2 dt. Okay. Write down. That is equal to 1 by 2. T power 1 by 2 means what? 2 by 3 into 3 by 2. 2 by 3 into t power 3 by 2 plus c. 2 going to get cancelled here. Okay. 2 if you make cancel 1 by 3. 1 by 3 t sin 2t sin 2t whole power 3 by 2 plus c. Okay. Take this, we will go for 28th question. Okay. See, integral cos x by square root of 1 plus sin x dx. Okay. Naturally, 1 plus sin x you take as t. Write down. 1 plus sin x if I take as t, then cos x dx is going to become dt. Okay. Cos x dx is equal to dt. Cos x dx is there. Okay. See how I am converting this, you see, that is equal to integral, see, 1 by root t. 1 by root t. Why? Because 1 plus t root t dt. T power minus 1 by 2. Okay. Actually t power 1 by 2, but denominator. T power minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1. 1 by 2 by 1 by 2. 2 root t plus c. Okay. What is 2 root t? 2 root t means what? 1 plus sin x plus c. Okay. Take this, we will go for 29th question. Okay. See, integral cot x into log sin x dx. Integral cot x into log sin x dx. Okay. See here you take log sin x as t. See what I am writing. Log sin x is equal to t if you take d by dx log x 1 by x d by dx sin x cos x dx is equal to dt. That means you see cos by sin is cot. Cot dx is equal to dt. You say cot dx. That means cot x dx is dt. This is t. Okay. Directly you can substitute now. Write down integral log sin x t cot x dx dt. T square by 2 plus c. Okay. T square by 2 plus c. See what I am writing. 1 by 2. T square means what? Log sin x whole square plus c. Is it okay? 1 by 2 log sin x whole square plus c. Okay. Let us go for 30 question. Integral sin x by 1 plus cos x dx. 1 plus cos x we take as t. Okay, write down. 1 plus cos x I am taking as t. D by dx cos x minus sin x. Minus sin x dx is equal to dt. That means sin x dx means minus dt. You have to write it afterwards. Okay, write down. See, this is 1 by t. It is going to become 1 by t. 1 by t minus dt. Okay, 1 by t minus dt. Minus log t plus c. That is equal to minus log. What about t? 1 plus cos t. Okay. You keep modulus or else 1 plus cos x is greater than 0, like that you have to write. Okay. There is a possibility of coming 0 also. If cos x is minus 1, cos x will come minus 1 also. Then 1 plus 1 minus 1 is going to become 0. Then this is going to become invalid. That is one case. Another case, cos x never becomes greater than 0. That is why it never becomes negative, but 0 it may become. That is why 1 plus cos x is not equal to 0, like that also you can write and close. Let us go for 31st question. Okay, see here, same question, sin x by 1 plus cos x only, but here now 1 plus cos x square has come. Even then, you have to take 1 plus cos x only as a t. Write down, same like earlier. 1 plus cos x if you take as t, then minus sin x dx is going to become dt. Okay? Then sin x dx is minus dt, that is different thing, but first you write this. You see, now 1 by t square is going to become. Okay, minus dt. Now I am converting this, you see how. T power minus 2 dt minus t power minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 by, see, minus 1 by minus 1, that's all. Minus 1 by minus 1. Is it okay? Minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 plus c. Okay, now minus minus cancel, 1 by t it is going to become 1 by t. Okay, write down. 1 by t plus c, that is equal to 1 by t means what? 1 plus cos t, cos x plus c. Is it okay? Okay, take this, we will go for 32nd question. Okay, see here, integral 1 by 1 plus cot x dx. Before taking t, don't take 1 plus cot x as t, you don't get anything. Okay, see, before going that, just I am converting this, you see, cot x as cos x by sin x. Okay, you see what I am writing? You simply observe here, integral dx by 1 plus cos x by sin x, that is equal to cos x by sin x. Sin x plus cos x by sin x, this sin x will go top. Sin x dx by sin x plus cos x. Is it okay? Now you see what I am writing. This sin x I am making 2 sin x. Dx. See, earlier sin x was there, now 2 sin x is there. To counter it, 1 by 2 I have written. 2 going to get cancelled. Okay. Now you see 2 sin x is there, and how I am writing, you see cos x is there. Extra additional. 1 by 2 integral sin x plus cos x plus sin x minus cos x divided by sin x plus cos x. See, dx also you write here, dx, okay? Is it okay? First you see. Why? Because you see 2 sin x has to come. 1 by 2 already outside is there. Remaining, if anything comes, means you cancel out. Plus cos x minus cos x are going to cancel out each other. That is why this is okay. Sin x plus sin x, 2 sin x. Okay. Now what is the advantage? Sin x by sin x. So I am splitting this. Sin plus cos x by sin plus cos x is 1. That means just dx only. Plus 1 by 2. This 1 by 2 is there for this also. Integral sin x minus cos x dx. Okay. See. Sin x minus cos x by sin x plus cos x. See here, this will come directly answer as x by 2. Okay, this you need not worry. But here you see, you take now this as t. You understand now? Write down. Let sin x plus cos x is equal to t. Denominator. Then d by dx sin x is cos x. D by dx cos x is minus sin x. Dx is equal to dt. But you see, dx is there, but sin x minus cos x is there. Here cos x minus sin x. Then you make it minus. Multiply with minus. Sin x minus cos x dx is equal to minus dt. That's all. Okay. When you multiply with minus, this is going to become plus, this is going to become minus, this is going to become minus. That's all. Both sides you have to do. Okay. Okay. Now you see sin x minus cos x dx, sin x minus cos x dx, but this you have to write as d minus dt. Okay. This you directly write x by 2. X by 2. Plus you don't write. Why? Because minus dt is there. Okay. Minus 1 by 2 integral top is dt. Okay. Bottom is t. X by 2 minus 1 by 2 log t plus c. Okay. Now you write down. Now substitute. X by 2 minus 1 by 2 log of t means what? Sin x plus cos x modulus sin x plus cos x plus c. You see here, I don't think if x anything together is going to become 0 or less than 0. Less than 0 may become. I can't say. Both, yeah, definitely. Why? Because see, in third quadrant from 190 to 270, both are negative. At the time, x should not give between 180 to 270. Okay, the modulus you keep, even modulus is also not correct. Sin x plus cos x together would become greater than 0. Okay. Take this, we will go for 33rd question. Okay. Write down. 33rd question, you see integral 1 by 1 minus tan x dx. See, earlier here cot x was there. Now tan x has come. Like earlier question only, you convert this first. Okay. See what I am writing. Integral dx by 1 minus sin x by cos x. Okay. That is equal to integral, you see cos x minus sin x by cos x. This cos x is going to come top. Cos x dx by cos x minus sin x. Okay. Now again, like earlier, 2 cos x, 1 by 2 cos x dx by cos x minus sin x. Okay. Again, 1 by 2 integral cos x minus sin x plus cos x plus sin x dx by cos x minus sin x. Okay, here dx is there. Okay, you see 2 cos x has to come. Cos x plus cos x, 2 cos x minus sin x plus sin x are going to get cancelled. Now I am splitting cos x minus sin x by cos x minus sin x, cos x plus sin x by cos x minus sin x. Okay, like that if I split, then we are going to get desired result. Okay, right now. Now you see that is equal to 1 by 2. See cos x minus sin x by cos x minus sin x, only dx will come. Integral dx. Okay. Plus 1 by 2 again cos x plus sin x dx by cos x minus sin x. Okay. Okay, you see you take this as t, but you see minus you have to take again. Okay, same thing like earlier only. Okay, write down cos x minus sin x is equal to t you have taken. If you take such that d by dx cos x is minus sin x minus d by dx sin x is cos x, dx is equal to dt. Okay, you see I am multiplying with minus, then this is going to become plus, this is going to become minus. That means you see sin x plus cos x dx is equal to minus dt. Is it okay? Minus, or else I have taken minus common and sent that side. Like that also you can think. Okay. Now you see sin x plus cos x dx is minus dt. Sin x plus cos x dx, and this is t directly, 1 by t log t. Okay, write down. Here x by 2 it is going to become x by 2. This is not plus, minus. Okay, minus 1 by 2 integral 1 by t dt. Okay, why dt? Minus already we have taken, actually minus dt. Okay, that is equal to, okay, x by 2 minus 1 by 2 log t plus c. I think like earlier only it has come same, but here t is changing, that's all. Okay, write down x by 2 minus 1 by 2 log of t is what? Cos x minus sin x plus c. Okay, take this, we will go for 34th question. Okay. Okay, see 34th question, integral square root of tan x divided by sin x cos x dx. Here what you are going to do you take tan x as a t? No, you don't get it. Now just you modify this. What I am doing, you see, I am multiplying with cos x. Cos x cos square x is going to become. Okay, what is the advantage? That cos x I am going to bring down, then cos by sin by cos is going to become tan, root is there, going to get cancelled 1, and this is going to become cos square, it is going to become secant square numerator, then tan x is secant square. Okay, that means see differentiation and this thing we have to make, tan x is secant square we have to make. How to make and all, you see what I am doing now. Okay, you see what I am doing, that is equal to integral tan x root into cos x dx by sin x cos square x. Why? Because see cos x, here cos x is going to become cos square x, here cos x will come. Okay. Okay, now you see, you think like this, divided by cos x, here cos x is going to vanish, but here tan x it is going to become, RL this cos x bring it down. Root dx divided by this is going to become tan x. Okay, this okay, first write down cos square x. Afterwards in the next step I am going to change this. Okay, you see root tan x by tan x, the denominator root tan x will come. Okay, this will not be there, dx will be there, but cos square x I can write a numerator as secant square x. Okay, now you take tan x as t. Okay, now it is very easy. Take tan x as t, then secant square x dx is equal to dt. Numerator is that only. Okay, write down. Write up now. Integral 1 by root t dt. Okay, that is equal to, see, t power minus 1 by 2. T power 1 by 2, but numerator if it goes t power minus 1 by 2 dt, that is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1. 1 by 2 by 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means 2. 2 root t plus c. Okay, 2 root t plus c. Okay, right now 2 root t means what? Tan x plus c. Okay, take there. See here, integral 1 plus log x whole square by x dx. Okay, see, take 1 plus log x as t. Okay, 1 by x dx is going to become, you see, 1 by x dx or dx by x. Right now 1 plus log x as t, if I take d by dx of log x, see, 1 is 0, do not consider. D by dx of log x is 1 by x. Dx is equal to dt. That means dx by x. Okay, easy. Now write down integral 1 plus log x is t means t square, dx by x means dt. That is equal to t cube by 3 plus c. That is equal to t cube means what? 1 plus log x whole cube by 3 plus c. Okay, 1 plus log x whole cube by 3 plus c. Okay, this is 35th question. Let us go for 36th question. Okay, see, integral x plus 1 into x plus log x whole square by x dx. Here also you take x plus log x as t. Okay, write down x plus log x is equal to t. If I take, you see, d by dx x is 1 plus d by dx log x is 1 by x. Okay, is equal to dt by dx. Okay, now you see how I am modifying this. X plus 1 by x. Dx is equal to dt. X plus 1 by x dx is equal to dt. You see, x plus 1 by x dx. Okay, that is why I have converted that like that. Okay, write down now integral. First you take x plus log x whole square means t square. Okay, except this x plus 1 dx by x. X plus 1 dx by x dt. T cube by 3 plus c. Write down again. X plus log x whole cube by 3 or 1 by 3 you take separate or both are equal. Okay, this is the answer for 36th question. Okay, let us go for 37th question. Okay, see, integral x cube sine of tan inverse x to the power of 4 by 1 plus x to the power of 8 dx. It looks like complex, but if you take tan inverse x to the power of 4 as t, then this is going to become simplex. Okay, write down tan inverse x to the power of 4 is equal to t I have taken. Okay, d by dx tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. 1 by 1 plus x square. X square means here x to the power of 4 is x. X to the power of 8. Over? No. If it is x, over. But it is x to the power of 4. Again d by dx of x to the power of 4. 4x cube. dx is equal to dt. Now you see x cube dx by 1 plus x to the power of 4 is dt by 4. See, x cube dx by 1 plus x to the power of 8. X cube dx by 1 plus x to the power of 8. Okay? That you have to observe carefully. Okay, write down first sine integral sine t. This is 1. Another one, x cube dx by 1 plus x to the power of 4 is 1 by 4 dt. 1 by 4 dt. Okay? 1 by 4 d integral sine t minus cos t. Why? Because you see d by dx cos x is minus sin x. Okay, minus sin x. Minus integral is plus cos x, but plus sin x means minus cos x. Minus cos t plus c. Okay. Minus cos t if I write means what I have to write? Write down. That is equal to minus 1 by 4 cos of t means tan inverse x to the power of 4 plus c. Okay. This is answer for your 37th question. Let us go for 38th. Okay. See this 38th question. 10 into x to the power of 9 plus 10 power x log 10 to the base e. X to the power of 10 plus 10 power x dx. Okay, simple. It is looking like complex, but you take this as t. X power 10, 10 power x. Okay. See here, this is a power x like 10 is constant. Okay. This is okay. 10x to the power of 9 will come, but this is d by dx of a power x is a power x log a. A is here 10. Let us go. Now you see x to the power of 10 plus 10 to the power of x is equal to t I have taken. Then d by dx of x power 10 is 10 into x to the power of 9 plus d by dx of a power x is equal to a power x into log a. A power x into log a. See? Okay? 10 dx is equal to dt. Okay? Then proceed. Integral, you see this is t means 1 by t. 1 by t, this is dt. Log t plus c. Log of t is what? This one. See, I don't know, this is going to become positive, this is, x is negative number means, I don't know, okay, you write plus c, okay, log of x power 10 plus 10 power x plus c, this is answer, 38. Let us go for 39th question. Integral dx by sin square x cos square x, we know sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. Here 1 into dx is there, like that you think and write that sin square x plus cos square x numerator. Okay, there is no wrong. Sin square x cos square x, but denominator is multiplication, numerator is addition. Okay, now you segregate now. Sin square x dx by sin square x cos square x plus cos square x dx by sin square x cos square x. Okay? Okay. You see sin going to get cancelled. Cos square x means secant square x. Integral secant square x dx plus cos going to get cancelled, cosecant square x. Okay, 1 by sin square x means cosecant square x. Okay, now you can do it easily. Why? Because see, d by dx tan x is secant square x, integral secant square x is tan x. Don't write plus. D by dx cot x is minus cosecant square x. Integral cosecant square x is minus cot x. This is your answer. Okay? See, we have finished this exercise, 7.2 exercise completely. We will meet in the next class and we will do 7.3 exercise also. There is not much concept. We can start the exercise also. Okay, thank you very much.